Hi, I'm Cathy Brooks, and I just saw a presentation by Paul Artale. It was about work-life balance. It was extremely informative and a lot of fun. He put a lot of energy and personality into this presentation, made us think and really dig deep into what's important to you in your life and how to make that balance and looking for your true north. It was great to be able to see it visually with the plate analogy on what's important to you in your life and how that plays out on your plate. As difficult as it was a perfect way for you to really think about what's important in your life. I think it's really important for a presenter to relate and connect with their audience. Paul does that very, very well. He connected with each one of us visually as well as mentally. And it was a lot of fun because it kept our attention, we kept moving, we kept doing a lot of interactive things, and that's really important in a presentation to hold the attention of your audience. I would recommend him to any organization, I think specifically those with employees that are looking for that work-life balance. And I think that they would gain a lot of insight into that by having him come and speak.